Hi, my name is Ben Wells, and I'm going to show you my circuit board, and this is just to explain to you a little bit. So I have my Arduino right here. You can even come close if you want. The Arduino here, it's connected to my computer, and so the Arduino is supplying power through this 5 volts, and it's coming on this red bus right here to both sides. It supplies both power to the switches and also to the LEDs. Arduino is always checking to see if the switch is on or off, and I have a pull down resistor right here for it to always read 0 unless a switch is tripped, which then it'll read 5 volts, which then will tell this computer to turn one of these LEDs on. And so that's kind of how this works. So these outside buttons are for the servos. This is servo up and this is servo down, and then this LED functions as to show that this is my robot, that the left motor turning on. This is to show that my right motor is turning on, and then this is the middle for it to stop. So I'm going to show you a couple how those work. So first is left. So if the switch is going, the left is going, perfect. If we're going right, that one will turn on. If we want to go straight, these will both turn on. But then when we hit something, this third switch will turn on and it's collided, and you see how those ones turned off? It's because, I'll just move those out of the way for a second. It's because it's collided with something, and so the motors turn off. But if we're not hitting something, those turn back on, off, on. This is servo up right here. This is servo down, but we don't want the servos going at the same time, so if I push them both on, it turns off, or if I have this one on and then this one tries to turn on, they're both off. I can also do drive, so if I want to go to the left and I want to have an up servo, that'll work. If I want to go right and have an up servo, if I want to go left and have it down, or left right, and that works just right. Or if I want to go straight and then go up, or straight go down, that both works just the same. And that's how my breadboard works and my little circuit works. Thanks for watching.